Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we are going to learn about PLL, or permutation of the last layer. This is the fourth and final step of the CFOP method that you will do after you have completed the OLL. The PLL method that you will learn in this tutorial is called the two-look PLL. It is a two-steps approach and it only requires 6 algorithms as compared to the full PLL method where you will need to know 21 algorithms. Alright, all set, let's go. In step 1 of the two-look PLL, we'll solve the corners of the last layer. In total, there are 2 cases. The first case is the adjacent corner swap case. Here we have a pair of headlights. And we need to swap the other 2 corners that are adjacent to each other. To solve this case, position your puzzle cube with the headlights facing to the left, like so. Then apply this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. The second case is the diagonal corner swap case. For this case, we have 2 of the corners in their correct positions. And we need to swap these 2 diagonal corners. To solve this case, you may position your puzzle cube in any directions, then apply this algorithm. F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. In step 2 of the two-look PLL, we will solve the edges of the last layer. There are 4 cases. The first case is the H counterclockwise cycle case, where you have one of the edges solved, and you need to move these 3 edges in counterclockwise directions. To solve this, you position your puzzle cube with the edge that is already solved at the back, like so. Then apply this algorithm. R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. The second case is the edge clockwise cycle case. It is like our first case, but the edges go clockwise this time. So this edge will go here, this one will go here, and finally this edge will go here. To solve this case, you will position the solved edge at the back. Then apply this algorithm. R2, U, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R prime. The third case is the H-PERM case. This is where all your edges are in wrong positions and you need to swap the edges that are opposite to each other. To solve this case, you can position your puzzle cube in any directions, then apply this algorithm. M2, U prime, M2, U2, M2, U prime, M2. The fourth and final case is the Z-PERM case. In this case, you have all the edges in wrong positions and you need to swap the edges that are adjacent to each other. To solve this case, you'll position your puzzle cube where the two edges that need to be swapped to point to the front and to the left, like so. Then apply this algorithm. U, M prime, U prime, M2, U prime, M2, U prime, M prime, U2, M2. We have come to the end of our 2-loop PLL tutorial. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.